Guys, so kami ay kakain na. Kasama ko pala si Jonard. Ayun guys. So, ang ulam namin today is ayan, so bulag guys. Sobrang sarap, sobrang yummy with anong ulam mo, Nard? Noodles. Ayan guys. So paborito daw ni Nadnad. Ayan pala si Nadnad guys. Kami ay kakain na and with Bibi kagising niya guys and then
Hello mga guys.
and then so with suka ayan suka namin guys ayan isaw-saw namin